How to buy Tango Coins. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to buy Tango Coins, firstly make sure that you have the Tango application installed in your device, and now go ahead and open the application. Now, make sure you are logged in. In the interface that you will be led to, in the bottom dashboard, you will see the option for coins. Tap on that. Here you will see variety of options for buying coins. You can buy coins ranging from 200 to 2000 with prices varying accordingly. Select the amount of coin you want to purchase. You will now be asked to enter your Face ID and the Apple ID password, so go ahead and enter that. Once done, in the pop-up that you will be led to, enter the password again and tap on the Continue button. You will now be asked to enter your card details, that is, your card number, expiration date, and CVV. So go ahead and enter that. Once you have entered, tap on the Done button, and with this you will be able to buy Tango Coins. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.